When BTS announces a comeback, it does not just trend, it shakes the entire internet. A single teaser photo can freeze timelines, break records, and start millions of conversations in seconds. But have you ever wondered, how does one group turn a music release into a global economic event? Today, we are breaking down the secret blueprint behind a BTS comeback, the hype, the strategy, the numbers, and the cultural earthquake that follows every era. Before we dive deeper, hey, I am Banashri, and on this channel I break down K-pop, beauty, and global brands through smart, easy case studies. If you love BTS, marketing, and storytelling, hit that subscribe button because I keep it real and interesting every day. Every BTS comeback begins with something unexpected: silence. No announcements, no hints, just the quiet before a worldwide storm. This silence creates hunger. Fans start hunting for clues from hairstyles, airport photos, even Wever's activity. Theories start trending. Armies begin the promoting without hype even saying a single word. Then one random day a mysterious teaser drops. A color, a logo, a date, and the entire fanbase explodes into motion. This is not an accident. This is phase 1 anticipation engineering. Every BTS comeback has a story, not just a song, it is a world. From Love Yourself to Map of the Soul, every era has its sound, color palette, typographic fashion direction, album narrative, and visual identity. HYBE uses a brand launch approach, almost like Apple or Marvel. The concept photos are not random, they are a visual guide for the entire era. The MV teasers set the emotional tone, the styling becomes trend-setting. The album design tells a deeper message. Other artists release albums, BTS releases eras. Here is where BTS is completely unmatched. When HYBE releases a teaser, ARMY does the rest. Within minutes, hashtags trend globally. Reaction videos start. Edits flood TikTok. Fan translators post in 20 languages. Streaming goals are organized like military operations. ARMY does not behave like an audience. ARMY behaves like a global volunteer marketing team. And that is BTS' biggest power. BTS comebacks follow a digital strategy that is honestly on the level of a Fortune 500 company. YouTube MV premieres with millions waiting. Auto-generated promotions through comments plus live chat. Record-breaking 24-hour views. TikTok comeback choreography. Snippet instant challenge. Fans create trends even before the song drops. Spotify massive pre-sales. Featured playlisting. Targeted global promo. Instagram and Weverse members drop subtle hints, behind the scenes content every day, emotional posts that boost engagement. HYBE uses data analytics to know exactly what works, when to release it, and which region will trend first. Now, let's talk numbers, because BTS does not just break records, they reset them. A typical BTS comeback triggers millions of album sales in days, chart domination across 100 countries, global brand partnerships, merch drops that sell out instantly, massive tourism impact in South Korea. Yes, a BTS comeback is so powerful that it influences national GDP, fashion trends, and even international news cycles. This is the moment when a music release becomes an economic phenomenon. Beyond numbers, BTS comebacks shift culture. Fans organize events in multiple countries. Media outlets worldwide reset their timelines. TikTok becomes a sea of edits. Fashion trends follow the members' new looks. Artists and industries adjust their release schedules to avoid the promotion wave. No group in history has created global ripple effects at this scale across music, fashion, social media, and fandom culture. So what makes BTS comebacks so powerful? It is a mix of emotional storytelling, brand consistency, fandom loyalty, innovation marketing precision, genuine artist-fan connection, and a narrative that grows with every era. BTS does not just come back with music, they come back with a moment, something fans can feel, remember, and be a part of. 1. Build promotion slowly. BTS uses silence hints teaser boom. Lesson: do not drop everything at once. Tease strategically to give each launch its own identity. Every BTS era has its own colors, visuals, and vibe. Lesson: treat every product launch like a new era. 3. Turn your audience into a community. ARMY promotes, organizes, and participates. Lesson: build engagement, not just followers. 4. Use each platform with purpose. TikTok for trends, YouTube for impact, Instagram for story, Weverse for loyalty. Lesson: do not copy paste content everywhere. 5. Create moments, not just posts. BTS comebacks feel like world events. Lesson: make your launch feel special and memorable. 6. Stay consistent every era quality. Lesson: reliability builds trust faster than advertising. 7. Be real. Authentic behind the scenes moments make fans connect deeply. Lesson: authenticity beats polished branding. A BTS comeback is not just entertainment, it is a world event engineered with emotion, strategy, data, and community power. And that is why every time BTS returns, the world stops and watches. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more case study videos.